Several global mining groups can attest to the uniqueness and value of Chemwatch. Most of the world's oil and gas exploration companies, including the top 10 explorers based on market capitalization, have been longtime supporters of Chemwatch. Chemwatch now provides a complete solution for incident management reporting for both chemical and non-chemical incidents. Chemicals used in the mining industry fall into three categories. Explosives, chemicals used in metal or extraction, including flotation agents, for example, xanthates, and those used in the maintenance of plant and equipment. Chemical-related incidents accounted for approximately 5.6% of lost time injuries in 2019 to 2020, and Chemwatch provides a system to identify all chemical hazards, their associated risks, and the requirements for managing those risks. It also identifies the persons at risk at the mining site. The risk assessment module rates the severity of each risk and identifies the control measures required to reduce the severity to a minimum through the use of appropriate control measures. Industrial hygienists are now provided with the complete profiles of the persons at risk following exposure to specific workplace toxins. These include those with a history of autoimmune disease and women of childbearing age. Reporting for non-chemical incidents is supported and can be categorized by incident type. This information may be shared with statutory authorities and used to generate site-specific dashboards. The system is available in 49 languages and covers regulations across more than 100 countries and regions. Chemwatch maintains a comprehensive set of chemical profiles, covering over 10 million chemicals and mixtures. A workflow-based approval module, used prior to any chemical purchase, ensures all chemicals have sufficient controls in place to achieve the lowest possible risk. In addition, a formal permit to work (PTW) system or the company's specific version involving detailed risk assessments, authorizations, and clear documentation for hazard control and isolation is fully supported. Task reminder calendars ensure timely notifications of management requirements. All information related to workers and individual sites is stored in an ISO-certified cybersecure environment, ensuring complete privacy. The ability to view each site using Google Maps and Street View allows the generation of color-coded, site-specific heat maps. This identifies the areas with significant incident management requirements. Chemwatch's mobile application, the Smarter Suite, provides workers with real-time access to chemical inventories, including all SDSs and incident reports. Furthermore, links to other important features of the system, including asset management, spend management, waste management, carbon footprint, transport logistics, bill of materials health check, and industrial hygiene monitor, ensure a thorough and comprehensive industry-specific solution. Scan the QR code and get in touch with Chemwatch to contact your nearest representative and request free trial access.